Swiss chard contains so many health benefits that it has been selected as one of the first vegetables to be grown in space for astronauts. It is full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and offers superior nutrition in every smoothie, side plate or steamed serving. Here are 11 health benefits of eating Swiss chard. 1. It helps to prevent cancer. Chlorophyll, phytochemicals and fiber are abundant in Swiss chard, and these properties are vital in protecting your cells from cancer. It also contains a significant dose of antioxidants, which aid your cells in reducing free radical damage and creating an alkaline environment in which cancer cells cannot thrive. 2. It helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. Blood sugar spikes and dips are very dangerous for diabetes sufferers, and they can be prevented by eating chard. It contains a powerful flavonoid known as syringic acid which helps to regulate the rate and amount in which carbohydrates are broken down into sugars, which prevents any blood sugar irregularities after a meal. 3. It maintains the strength of your bones. Vitamin K and calcium are essential for maintaining strong bones, and Swiss chard is a great source for both of them. 1 cup contains over 600% of the recommended daily value of vitamin K, which helps to transport calcium directly to your skeletal system. 4. It helps to improve night vision. Swiss chard. Leafy green chard contains high doses of vitamin A, which has been proven to significantly improve night blindness or vision in dim light. 2 cups offers 88% of your recommended daily amount of vitamin A, as well as boosting antioxidant intake, which is also excellent for eye health. 5. It reduces digestive inflammation. Swiss chard contains phytonutrients known as betalains, which offer detoxification support for your digestive tract, reducing inflammation. It also contains a good amount of dietary fiber, which further supports a healthy digestive tract. 6. It helps to reduce muscle cramps. Magnesium is an essential vitamin in preventing muscle spasms and maintaining excellent blood circulation. 100 grams of chard gives you 20% of your daily requirement of magnesium as well as a steady stream of iron and copper, which all promote relaxed muscles and better circulation. 7. It boosts brain power. Vitamin K, potassium, and powerful antioxidants assist in optimizing cognitive response, which are all found in excellent doses in chard. This helps to prevent memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. 8. It promotes healthy hair. Swiss chard contains a powerful compound known as biotin, which has been proven to stimulate hair follicles, promoting long, strong, and healthy hair. 9. It is a powerful immune booster. Swiss chard is a powerful immune booster, containing over 50% of your daily requirement of vitamin C as well as being a rich source of antibacterial phytonutrients. 10. It is an excellent source of iron. The dark, green leaves of chard supply an excellent dose of blood-healthy iron, assisting red blood cells to deliver oxygen to your entire body. A steady supply of iron prevents fatigue, concentration loss and stomach disorders, as well as boosting the health of vital organs. 11. It's a low-calorie superfood. 1 cup of salty, delicious chard contains less than 10 calories, which makes it a great choice for getting superior nutrition without having to worry about your waistline. It also offers fiber, phytonutrients, and plenty of water, which hydrates and energizes every cell in your body. For more health videos like these, please subscribe to this channel.